Oh baby, I'm sitting here late at night. Got the scanner glowing bright, inspection dreams in sight, yeah. You know my workflow's been a mess, manual clicks causing you stress. But when you came and said, automate the rest, you gave me that scripting groove, Python moving smooth, every legend knows what to do. I so fine, got me feeling divine. Autocomplete my mind, ooh yeah. 'Cause I got that control X feeling, textual scripting healing. When my process gets too slow, you're the code that helps me flow, baby. Control X healing, automate that feeling. It's efficiency so fine, Geomagic blowing my mind. Record that script, don't lift a hand. Workflow magic on command. Just play it back and watch it stand. Oh yeah. From point clouds to final checks, you keep my data all in spec. No errors left, just sweet success. No more project runs like silk, no lag, no spilled milk. Even Python feels like rhythm and blues. Every API call I make brings results that just won't break. Control X, I'm in love with you. 'Cause I got that control X feeling, textual scripting healing. You're my automation flame, turning task into champagne. Oh honey, control X killing. My workflow's revealing that this no release is real. Efficiency's what I feel. Oh, when my code gets cold, you warm it with that intelligence glow. Every keystroke whispers, let's go. No more manual grind, you free my mind, yeah. Automation, sweet automation. You're a digital salvation. I got that control mix feeling, textual scripting healing. I don't need no hands to run. You make my job feel like